Hi teacher, my name is Evelyn Roballo. I am going to talk about travel blog. When I was 30 years old, I traveled to Galapagos with my family. I found places like the Charles Darwin Research Station, where you can see that there is a diversity of flora and fauna. For example, iguanas, turtles, piqueros, sea lions, sharks, manta rays, birds. There are many islands, lava tunnels, beaches, Garrapatero, Turtle Bay, and cracks. It is a very quiet and expensive place. I see a solitary George. The other place that I really like to go to is Ticatilin. It is south of Cotopaxi. There is typical found for um, tortillas de maíz. There is a typical food, beautiful landscapes. You can look at the volcano. There are extreme sport climbing, sport fishing, a farm where there are cows, pigs, rabbits, ducks, horse, and we have a country house where we camping with my family and friends. It is very quiet. It has very thing to relax.